this chimpanzee got into a fight, and so did this lion, and so did this gorilla, and so did this crocodile, and it was caught all on camera, so watch till the end. In this video, I found 4 of the most insane animal fights of all time, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. In fight number 1, we have 2 silverback gorillas having an aggressive fight at a zoo. Thankfully, no one was majorly hurt. In fight number 2, we have 4 male lions fighting another male lion that looks like Scar. It then proceeds to turn into a big brawl between all of the lions. In fight number 3, we have a zookeeper and a crocodile that is out for blood. Even when the crocodile gets fed the meat, he still wants to attack his zookeeper. Thankfully, the zookeeper left unharmed. And finally, in fight number 4, we have one chimpanzee chasing another chimpanzee and hitting him with a stick. Thankfully, neither one of the chimpanzees were majorly harmed. That's about it. See ya! If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content like this, make sure to click that subscribe button.